Hi, I'm Julie, and I will let you know why it is so important for GibbsCam and our customers to maintain partnerships with other industry leaders. Today we start with the Sandvik Group. 3 years ago, Sandvik announced the acquisition of GibbsCam. Sandvik's strategic ambition was and is to provide customers with innovative software solutions, enabling automation of the full component manufacturing value chain. We are proud to have launched or realized a number of joint initiatives with various Sandvik brands since then. For example, GibbsCam users already can benefit from the implementation of great solutions and strategies, like Prime Turning, White Turning, and the Cora Plus tool library. All of them engineered by Sandvik Coremant. Expect more for the future. We will keep on working on our joint AI initiative to enable our customers to use this fantastic technology inside our GibbsCam application more and more. We will keep on working on joint solutions to make your production more sustainable. We will intensify our collaboration with others brands inside Sandvik Group to bundle our extensive know-how and build best-in-class solution for our customers. Be on the lookout for future episodes with me, talking about other GibbsCam partnerships.